Now the next topic that we are going to do is globalization. Now when you talk about globalization, three things come into picture. LPG, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization. What is their meaning? I'll explain you in very short detail. Okay. So globalization is a process wherein many different countries come into contact with each other through trade. Trade એટલે import and export of goods. We know that from India many goods go abroad, right? And many goods from abroad come to India. Goods એટલે કે toys હોય કે પછી your Coca-Cola or food or all those things from India they go abroad, and from abroad it comes to India also. So એનેથી શું થાય કે આપણા રિલેશન્સ એ countries હારે improve થાય. So either it is in economic area or either it is in political area. Political area એટલે we know that the countries are connected to each other at political level. India has good relations with many countries around the world. We have good relations with US, we have good relations with England, we have good relations with UK. So like that we have good political relations. So what has happened is that our political and economic activities, okay, with international countries is included in globalization. That is what is globalization. Okay, કે ભાઈ અબ્રોડની વસ્તુ ઇન્ડિયા આવે છે અને ઇન્ડિયાથી વસ્તુ અબ્રોડ જાય છે. અને સેકન્ડ ઇઝ પોલિટિકલ ટાઈઝ, એટલે આપણા પોલિટિકલ રિલેશન્સ વિથ અધર કન્ટ્રીઝ હેઝ ઓલ્સો ઇમ્પ્રુવડ because of trade and commerce. Obviously અગર આપણા પોલિટિકલ રિલેશન્સ સારા ન હોય તો આપણે એ કન્ટ્રી હારે ટ્રેડ નહીં કરીએ, રાઈટ? ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ટેક ચાઇના. આપણા પોલિટિકલ રિલેશન્સ got spoiled with China. That is why we banned those 59 apps. We stopped buying anything that were Chinese. Why? Because of our political relations with China got spoiled. Now your globalization is linked with LPG. L એટલે liberalization. Liberalization એટલે શું કે આપણી ગવર્મેન્ટ જે છે ને એ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ જે બને છે એ લોકોને ફ્રીડમ આપે છે કે તમે તમારી રીતે કામ કરો, તમે તમારા રૂલ્સ એન્ડ રેગ્યુલેશન્સના રીતે કામ કરો. ગવર્મેન્ટ કોઈ વાર ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝના ઓલામાં બહુ દખલ નહીં કરે કે બહુ કચકચ નહીં કરે, એટલે દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ લિબરલાઇઝેશન. લિબરલાઇઝેશન એટલે ફ્રીડમ ટુ રન યોર ઓન ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ ધ વે યુ વોન્ટ. નેક્સ્ટ ઇઝ પ્રાઇવેટાઇઝેશન. પ્રાઇવેટાઇઝેશન ઇઝ વોટ ઇઝ કે પહેલાં જ્યારે એલપીજી નહોતું એની પહેલાં જે ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ હતી ઇન્ડિયામાં, ઓલ ધ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ વિચ વર ધેર ઇન ઇન્ડિયા વર ઓન્ડ બાય ધ ગવર્મેન્ટ. Government had those industries. The government soon realized that we are not able to handle these industries, we are not able to run these industries properly. So let us do one thing, we will let private people or we will let any other people want to open their own industries and let them function it on their own. That is why you had Ambani, Tata, Birla, all these people they came and they made their industries in India. So they are private industries. Okay, why? Because they are not owned by the government, it is owned by them. Okay, so that is why privatization. So that is what is LPG. Liberalization is what? Freedom to work the way you want in your industries. Government will not do kach in you. Privatization is what? Opening more and more private industries, because if the industries are owned by the government they usually run in loss, and that is why you encourage other people to start their own industries or their private industries. Globalization is what? International trade and good political relations with other countries. This is what is LPG. Now I will start with the topic of globalization. In 21st century, the discussion on social change will remain incomplete without the mention of the process of globalization and liberalization. So what they have said is that globalization is an important part of 21st century which led to the changes in the society and in the culture. Okay, and if you don't mention liberalization and globalization, okay, it will remain incomplete. Because of liberalization and globalization there have been big changes that have happened in the society and in culture. Okay, globalization was not something that was new in India. Okay, three processes began in the whole world in the last decade of 21st century, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization. So what happened in the last 10 years of the 20th century? The three important processes happened, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization. These three processes have impacted economy, society and culture. Because of these three processes, there have been huge impact or huge result in economy, in society and in our own culture. Sociologists and anthropologists felt that due to these processes, the world has become one society and an international market. So they have said because of liberalization, privatization and globalization, the world has become one international market. Okay, and therefore lot of sociologists and anthropologists are those people who study tribes. They got interested in studying of globalization, and they realized that because globalization is such a huge effect on economy, society and culture, it is important to study globalization. We will now understand globalization and liberalization as a socio-economic process. So now we will study about globalization and liberalization as a process which has affected society and economy. What is globalization? Globalization is a complex socio-economic and political progress found in all the countries of the world. So what is globalization? It is a complex process which affects your society, which affects your economy and which affects your political level in all the countries of the world. The process according to social scientists have been instrument in reducing the distance between countries and states within a village. So what they have said is that because of globalization, because of so much development that has happened, okay, the distance between the countries reduced. How? Because we started trading so much. Okay, it never mattered ki India is how far from England. Our relations are very very good because we have good trade relations with them. So distance reduced. Okay, and we all became one village. Okay, we became one world in terms of international market, in terms of changes that has occurred in society, in culture and in economics. The world became a village. Means of communication and mechanized sources have provided momentum to this process. So means of communication and new use of new machines has given a boost to the process of globalization.